Hey guys, so for my next arrangement in my holiday series, we are going to do a centerpiece. I picked up this nice little dish with red dish with silver snowflakes on it, and this is one of this year's Teleflora items, so you can get it at your local flower shop as long as they're a Teleflora florist. And I took my block of Oasis, cut a third off of it, put 2/3 into the bowl, and of course I soaked it first. And now I'm going to put these little candle holders inside the foam, and then I have 2 red taper candles, and I am going to stick those in the little candle holders. And now I'm going to green it. So for this, I'm going to do a mix of different greens. I have some balsam fir that I am going to stick around the edges. And with this, you can make it as short or long as you want. If you want a longer arrangement, then you could just do longer pieces on the ends. I'm gonna cut that. Nope, a little bit too long. Let's redo that. Stick it in. And I like to pull the little needles off the ends so it's easier to stick in the foam. And for a centerpiece, you can use any type of bowl that you might have at home. You can buy a little plastic centerpiece dish. A candy dish can be made into a centerpiece, anything really. And this you can put on your holiday table. You can give it as a gift, brighten someone's day. And after I have all my balsam all the way around, I am going to take some pine, break a few of these pieces off, and then give it a cut. Stick one in on each end. Actually, we'll change this one to here. This one's a little bit longer, so we'll put it on that end. And some more just throughout. Then I'm going to take my boxwood and fill in with that. I love the way boxwood fills out arrangements. And if you do this early in the season, you can always change out the flowers as they die off. And then you can have something for the whole month. Or some people don't actually put any flowers in. They just put some pine cones in, some other ornaments. So it's really up to you, whatever you like. Sometimes in some centerpieces, some people put in cinnamon sticks. I've even seen lotus pods for a more country look. And you can put ribbons in the arrangement. And the ribbons you can get at your local craft store or Sam's, Walmart, any of those places, Amazon, they all sell ribbons. So you can pick out the one you like, and the ribbons definitely take up some space. And in another video, I will show you how to make a little bow and how to make a larger bow. And I will put the link to that video in the description. And making bows is definitely all about practice, because once you get the hang of it, it's really simple. There we go. Now we are all greened up. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to add some holly to this one to make it a little more festive. And I would like my holly to shine, so I am going to grab my can of leaf shine that you can get off of Amazon. And I'm just going to spray that holly and then stick it in. There we go. Holly is very pretty. Sometimes it is a little prickly, but these branches aren't too bad. And just have to angle it in right. A little more spray on that. And stick some in the front. And holly comes in green leaves or variegated leaves. The ones I have growing by my house are just green. We don't have any variegated holly. But this year they actually have their berries on them, where other years they haven't. Okay. Put one more little branch in. Do a little more spray. And now it is time to add some flowers. I'm going to keep this one simple and just keep it red. I'm going to add a few carnations. Gonna add one on each end. And then we will take a couple roses and we will put one on each side. Go, put one on that side. And then I will take a couple more carnations. One there. 5 candles. Another one on the other side. And then we'll take some miniature carnations to just dot throughout. Turn this around to do the other side. Grab another stem. And just a couple more. We won't go too crazy on this. And now I am going to take some of these little glass ornament balls that I got from my local flower shop. And we are just gonna dot them throughout. Got some red ones, and I also have some silver ones that I'll put in since the snowflakes on the container are silver, so it'll blend it together. Another way to blend it together would be to put some silver candles in instead of the red, but I don't have any, so we went with red. And let's see if we can stick a couple pine cones in. For this one, I'm using natural pine cones, but you can get snow-tipped. You can get your pine cones, again, on Amazon or the craft store or your local florist. And I'll just put a few more. It really makes the arrangement shine. Fix that little flower. It broke. We'll put another one in its place. And there you go. There's your centerpiece. And again, if you want to do different colors, if you want to add white to it, you definitely can. You could do that with roses, carnations, miniature carnations, pom-poms, hydrangea, anything you'd like. But like I said, with this one, we just kept it simple and red. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that way you're notified every time a new video pops up, because I definitely intend to do a whole bunch for the holiday season. So thank you. I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.